So today what I'm going to do is use some KT tape to tape an ankle from my patient who had a recent fracture and surgery to pin the bone. She's having a decent amount of pain, and I'm gonna teach her how to tape it. So made this for YouTube. My name's Dr. LeBauer, LeBauer Physical Therapy. Hit subscribe and comment below what questions you have or if this is helpful for you. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this full length. There's not a magical place to put it. Number one thing is, if I'm gonna put it under your foot, I need to wrap it around enough so that the edges don't get pulled up. And so that's kind of where I'm gonna start. So pull your heel, ankle, like your toes back to your nose as far as you can. I have to create a little bit of an anchor here. So I'm gonna take the end, and this is, there we are, okay. I'm gonna go underneath. I'm gonna anchor it without stretch on a place on the foot that isn't gonna get a lot of friction from the floor. And then I'll take it and give it like a moderate stretch, wrap it around, up and over, and at the very end, no stretch. Voila. Okay, this is just one of the ways. I don't believe there's a magical thing here. I could go the other way. What this is mainly used for in my practice is creating some tension and sensory input into the skin and to the joints so that when we move it, there's less pain, better sensation, more input. So just something like that. We can also take one and I could wrap it from here and go straight up the side of the ankle. And I could have another one that comes maybe around it to create some compression. But for today, this is the one that we're gonna choose, and we're gonna go from there. And then what we wanna do is just give it a little bit of a rub so that the glue sticks. Best to put a sock on and before you walk around on it. And that's KT tape or RockTape for ankle pain. I would also do one, maybe half one, and squeeze back here, but we'll try that next time. And it's a lot of trial and error about which position, which area of the body that you want to do it on. The main thing is no stretch at the end. You have to anchor it into the skin on really clean, dry skin without lotions or oils as much as possible. Don't yank it off. If it has trouble coming off, put oil on it. If you try to force it, you can tear your skin because the glue is really strong. And generally, just if it's not irritating your skin, just leave it on until it falls off. And that's it. That's the KT tape or RockTape for ankle. I don't know, you can call that version 256.2. Thanks.